Hi guys, it's me Olivia, and today we are going to be drawing a cute Valentine's Day teddy bear because Valentine's Day is coming up. So we are going to be drawing this kind of cute little Valentine's Day bear. It is going to be a little bit hard, but don't worry, you'll get through it and everything's going to be okay. So grab your pencil and make sure it has a good tip and eraser, and grab a paper and we'll get started. So we are going to be drawing this kind of teddy bear with a heart. So I am just going to put it right in front of me like that. Okay, and don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna do great. And I really recommend for you to draw this teddy bear for one of your family members, maybe a grandpa, maybe a friend, I don't know. So let's get started. So make sure you have a good tip so you won't have to keep sharpening every single second or minute. Okay, let's start. So first, I want to draw the head. So I'm just going to make a little dot and stop right there where the curve is. And then just gonna trace the curve, then make the bigger, better head, like that. And I'm just gonna make a nice little hair piece of it. So I'm just gonna start like this and make it like a curve and then just go into it. Okay, so like that. And then we cannot connect the head because the circle, not circle, the heart will be in there. So let's just draw the ears now. So I'm just gonna draw a nice little curve, like an arc, and then another curve inside of it. And then again on this side, nice little curve, and a curve inside of it. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're all not that perfect. And it's just a bear. We can always erase and come back later. So you can pause the video to draw this part of the head. And when you are done, just unpause the video and we'll get right back. So now I want to draw the mouth and the eyes. So I'm just going to draw a curve right here and then connect. And then I'm just going to draw another curve inside of it and connect. And then I'm going to draw another curve inside of it and connect. So it looks like this. So like a big curve, a medium curve, and a small curve. Right. Next, let's get into connect. So I'm just gonna draw a nice small line and then curve, then again, and curve. There we go. And you can always pause the video to color in your nose. Just don't color in the part that is the small curve circle. So you can pause the video and color in, or you can color in later. Alright, next let's draw the eyes. So I'm just gonna draw half circles right here. Just like this, like an arch, like our ears. And do the same thing on this side. We're gonna draw really cute eyes. So we're gonna draw a nice little curve in each eye. And then we're gonna draw 2 circles in the eye. 1 big circle and 1 small circle. And then we're gonna color in the eye that is not under the curve, so don't touch the curve part. And remember, you can always pause the video. There we go. And now draw lines where the curve part is. So like this eye. And then do the same thing to the other eye. Just color in. Alright, now do the same thing like that. Alright, we finished the eyes and the mouth. Now let's get on to the heart part. Now let's get on to the hard part, that is drawing the heart. So just like in here, we're going to draw the heart like that. Alright. So let's just draw the heart and right here. So I'm just gonna make a little dot right here, and I'm gonna make a curve and stop. Then do the same thing to the other side, curve and stop. You can add the head to be like connected with the heart. And now I'm just gonna draw his paws. So paws are gonna be right here. Big circle and 2 lines for the paws. And another big circle and another 2 lines for the paws. And then just carefully make a dot right here. And finish up your heart. There we go. It might look a little bit smudged and curved, but that is okay because we're not all perfect. Okay, next we're gonna write in the heart, "Be my Valentine." So let's just, you can write anything you want in your heart because it is your heart. But I'm gonna do this. Now let's get on to the feet. I am going to draw a nice little part right here, paw right here, and another paw right here, which I like to call ovals because they do look kind of like ovals. And then inside, I'm gonna draw a small little oval, and then 3 circles, and then again to the other paw, small oval, 3 circles. Then I'm just gonna draw his body part that's coming out. So just finish up right here. Made a little mistake. There we go. And we have finished our cute teddy bear, but you can color in like I did, so like this, and you can do a background. So I'm gonna do a background with you guys because I know that for Valentine's Day, of course, you need a background for something. So for the background, I'm gonna do some nice little zigzags at the bottom. So these zigzags at the bottom. And then I'm gonna do some zigzags at the top too. The zigzags don't have to be perfect, but they have to be zigzags. Now you can and where the top zigzag is, you can write the name that you want to give this picture to. I'm gonna write to my BFF gonna give this to my best friend who lives not in the same place as me. So yeah. And on the bottom zigzag, I'm gonna write from Olivia. And I'm also gonna write, and if you would like, you can send this picture to me. But I don't know, just send it. Or you can give this to a best friend or a family member or a loved one. So now I'm just gonna draw some nice hearts in the background. I'm not that good at drawing hearts, so just don't mind. And now, we have finished, so have a happy Valentine's Day, and remember to stay sweet and be kind to everybody, and be artsy, of course. So I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to be artsy every day, and remember that Valentine's Day is coming up. So 3, 2, 1, bye. Oh, I didn't see you guys there, but whatever. I just want to tell you, yeah, you can copy the color that I did, or you can color by yourself. Just remember, Pusheen is sweet.